In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter cards in Trello. Filters are a fast way to cut through the noise on a busy board so you can focus on exactly what matters right now. Whether you're tracking your own tasks, preparing for a stand-up, or reviewing deadlines, the filtering tools built into Trello make it simple. Start by opening your Trello board. Once the board is open, look to the top right corner for the filters icon. It looks like a small funnel. Click it, and a panel will slide out from the side of your screen. This is where you'll choose what you want to see. At the top, you'll find the keyword box. Type any word or short phrase, and Trello will instantly show only the cards that contain that text, whether it's in the card title, description, or comments. This is perfect for quickly pulling up cards related to a project codename or a recurring deliverable. Below that, you'll see the Members section. Check one or more people to display only the cards assigned to them. This is especially helpful when you're reviewing someone's workload or filtering down to your own assignments. Next are labels. Select the colors or label names you use to track categories like priority, teams, or work streams. Choosing multiple labels broadens the results to any card that matches one of those selections, which is great for cross-functional reviews. You'll also have options for due dates. Pick cards due today, due in the next day, or those that are overdue. This view is ideal for planning what needs attention first and for making sure nothing slips past its deadline. There's also card status. Toggle this to hide or show cards that are marked as completed. If you're auditing what's left to do, hiding completed cards keeps the board focused on open work. If you're wrapping up a sprint, showing completed cards makes progress easy to see. As you make selections, your board updates automatically. No extra clicks required. You can combine multiple criteria, like a label plus a due date filter, to narrow your focus even further. If your board suddenly looks empty, that usually means the current combination is too specific. Just clear a choice or two. When you're finished, click the X at the top of the filter panel to return to your normal board view. All your cards will reappear exactly as before. And that's it. Simple, fast, and incredibly effective for staying organized in Trello.